Gonna go in with about a half a cup of chopped bacon. Now this is just some peppered bacon that I fried up and chopped up in little bite-sized pieces. Guys, we're making egg bites here. We got a greased up little 6 muffin tin thing. These are about the size of the Starbucks egg bites you get. Just about a tablespoon or so of heavy cream. Get that whisked up. A handful of pepper jack cheese, freshly shredded. Okay, these are gonna be spicy bacon and cheese egg bites. Gonna add in a little jalapeno garlic rub from Heath Riles. Again, if you guys aren't using barbecue rubs in your cooking, I think you're missing out. So many great flavors in there. So we got the peppered bacon, the pepper jack cheese, the jalapeno garlic seasoning, and then we're gonna go in with a little smoked ghost hot sauce, just about a teaspoon or so. Don't get crazy. Yeah, about that much. Okay, if you like it hotter, go hotter. If you don't, just keep it mellow. Okay, last thing, we're throwing in a little chopped green onions just for the flavor, and of course a little color. Now I only use 4 eggs. I had some pretty thick big boy eggs or big girl eggs. You don't want to go egg for egg in this tin because you added the cheese, the bacon, all that jazz. So you want to keep it to about 4 eggs unless they're just really small. And we'll just go in and fill those up. About 3/4. And the bacon and the cheese kind of separate, so we'll use a spoon to kind of get that out of there. You could place it in, separately by itself if you want, but we'll spoon it in. You got to get all that goodness in there. Perfect. All right, y'all, these are ready to get in the oven. We got it set to 350 and we'll go about 20 minutes and we'll check on them. You just want to make sure those eggs are cooked all the way through, right? Pretty simple. I have it in an extra pan here just in case I did feel these kind of high. So you never know. No one wants to clean up a messy oven. All right, I'll see you in a second. All out of the oven. Let's pop one of these bad boys out. There you go. Look at the goodness. Perfect egg bite right there. Speaking of bites, let's get one. All right, y'all, we got our little egg bite here. This is definitely gonna put Starbucks to shame. We got all that good cheese in there, the peppered bacon. Guys, spicy egg bites. If you're gonna have eggs for breakfast, might as well add tons of flavor to them. You know I need it. So cheers, y'all. Oh yeah, man. That right there is stupid good. All right. Get a little of that heat right from that hot sauce, that little pepper jack. Blowing Starbucks out of the water. These are the egg bites you need to make. I'll have the ingredients and prep down below in the caption. Guys, you gotta make these because baby, you know it's good.